Yesterday we talked about spring force, and we show that spring force is a conservative force. The burden by the spring is stored in the spring in the form of potential energy. Moreover, if the compression of spring or expansion of spring goes from x1 to x2, right, then in this change, the total energy stored depends only upon its initial position and final position. When this criteria is followed, we call such forces are called conservative forces. So this spring force is a conservative force. Just look into this example 6.8. Now what happens? We have bumpers in the front of the vehicle, in the back of the vehicle, so as to avoid higher damage during the collisions, during the accidents, right? So just to simulate such a situation, the bumpers are tested in the factories, springs are loaded, and cars or vehicles are made to hit on these springs. How much compression does take place? So these things are evaluated. So such a question is there. To simulate car accidents, auto manufacturers study the collision of moving cars with mounted springs of different spring constants. Consider a typical simulation with a car of mass 1000 kg. So this car is moving with a speed of 18 kilometers per hour on a smooth road and colliding with a horizontally mounted spring of spring constant 6.25 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter. What is the maximum compression of the spring? So mass of the car, this is example 6.8. So mass of the car is 1000 kg. Spring constant K is 6.25 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter, and velocity with which the car is moving is 18 kilometer per hour. So this data is given to us. Mass of the car is 1000 kilogram, moving with the speed of 18 kilometer per hour, is made to hit springs of spring constant 6.25 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter. What is the compression in the spring? So when the car hits, the spring is compressed. The whole kinetic energy of the car gets stored in the spring in the form of potential energy. So we have to use the conservation of energy in this case at half kx square, as the potential energy stored in the spring is equal to half mv square, which is kinetic energy of the car. So this half goes, and x square is equal to m upon this k v square, or x is equal to m upon k under the root v. Now this velocity, which is given 18 kilometers per hour, this is equal to 5 meters per second, right? So we use these quantities here, and x becomes mass is 1000 upon 6.25 into 10 to the power 3 under the root into 5. Because this is displacement, so this is in meters. This 1000 goes, 6.25 square root is equal to 1 upon 2.5 into this is 5. So 5 upon 2.5 is 2. So compression is 2 meters. there's a compression of 2 meters in this experiment, in this case, right? Is this clear? किस प्रकार से किया बेटा ये?
Yes, sir.
कुछ को समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
We have applied conservation of energy. ठीक है, ऐसे एक एग्जाम्पल और है नेक्स्ट वन, वो भी देखते हैं.